Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit and iterate on Claude artifacts in real time using the easy steps. This is the perfect way to adjust your visual code blocks, documents, or designs in a separate side-by-side window layout so you can make fast changes to your project without breaking your original text flow. Step 1. Ask the assistant to create a fresh main visual artifact document. The first step is to open your regular chat screen box, type out your primary creation request, and watch the system generate a standalone display window. Move your cursor to the bottom empty text row, type out a clear instruction like create a simple one-page website layout for a business, and press the Enter key on your board. Look over to the right-hand side of your monitor screen view to confirm that a clean, separate window container pops forward to display your layout. Because the system uses artifacts to isolate big chunks of code, documents, or assets away from the main chatting stream. Instead of printing hundreds of lines of text directly into your conversation history, it builds a private canvas room. This keeps your main workspace tidy and readies the item for direct live tracking. Step 2. Review your generated layout and identify changes you want to make. The second step is to look closely at the finished display panel on your screen canvas rows and pinpoint exactly what needs to be added, removed, or shifted around. Scroll up and down inside the newly created asset box view, read the text labels, check the positioning of the background blocks, and write down a list of changes using plain words. Use your mouse to hover over different sections of the artifact layout box to verify which specific parts match your style rules and which parts need updates. Because you should never try to fix everything at once in a single confusing prompt line, taking a brief moment to map out your layout adjustments helps you give clear, sequential instructions to the writing engine. This step prevents the software from getting overwhelmed or accidentally wiping out bits of your project that you actually liked. 3. Type your precise revision rules straight into the active chat box. The third step is to return to your left-hand typing row line and type out your list of adjustments using very simple, straightforward commands. Type a clear correction string into your text box, like change the main top bar color to blue and add a contact phone number to the middle row, and press your Enter key. Watch the left chat stream log your request smoothly while the right side panel refreshes to process the new instructions instantly. Because you do not need to rewrite the entire prompt structure from scratch just to tweak a tiny detail. By typing your revision choices directly into the active timeline, the tool reads your changes and blends them with the original background code, creating a fresh, updated version on the fly. And that's it. To edit and iterate on Claude artifacts in real time, you first type your creation prompt in the chat box to open a separate visual window on your screen. Next, you move your eyes to the right panel to review the generated layout and list out the specific updates you need on your screen canvas rows. Then you type your precise revision rules back into the main chat line to update the code instantly without retyping the original prompt. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.